गाइस प्लीज वीडियो को देख लेना, प्लीज लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना। तुम शुजा तुम ये करते हो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, देखो सीख लो।
तुम दूर ही रहा करो,
तुम बाहर में जाओ।
that one thing which he can't live without his phone.
और Snapchat filters।
Bye.
Bye. Aura, clapping to the aura।
Welcome to Simply Vibing with Tina. This is a heart-to-heart conversation with absolutely no filters. Be ready to relive your teenage experiences with my two very special guests, Shrija and Aryan. They happen to be very cute teenagers, and you will witness that yourself. And what I like most about them is छोटी उम्र, बड़े सपने और बहुत ही नेक सोच. Let's get the podcast started.
Welcome Aryan, welcome Shrija. Shrija, do I pronounce your name correctly?
It's Shrija.
Oh my god, I think I was quite near
it's
to
fine.
Very
it's fine.
sober।
it. Oh my god.
Not more than Aryan, no.
Can we?
Yeah, sure,
if you people allow,
Sure,
can we
sure.
get it started?
Yeah,
Sure,
sure, definitely।
Okay, fine. So today I would like to tell my audience that it's my privilege to sit with these Gen Z people who give so much honor to the millennial.
Yeah,
Right.
millennials।
Okay, what is this bifurcation? Can first I think we'll begin with this only.
Yeah, for
Please
sure।
help me understand this bifurcation.
Yeah।
So, would you like to start, Aryan,
No,
or
you
should I
start।
elaborate on
You
Gen Z?
you say about Gen Zs, I'll tell about the millennials।
So, I'd like start with a very precise definition of Gen Z.
Yeah.
So, the Gen Z, the age of Gen Z starts with 1997 till 2012.
Okay.
So, like Gen Z, you can watch a person standing there with a baggy t-shirt and baggy jeans, and
No, they started with skinny jeans, then they moved on to the baggy jeans।
that is the lockdown era.
So Gen Zs are also like that, na TikTok era।
So Gen Z, basically we cannot really define them, wearing oversized t-shirt and everything. Gen Z are like more into shortcut things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Short words, keywords, like for example IRL, NGL. You often can talk about.
Yeah. Actually, I was. That was my next question. I wanted to understand that
Yeah.
what are these slangs all about? Because I was like into. I swear, and I used to consider myself pretty cool, saying all these words. But
Yeah.
I think it has been upgraded now.
It has been
What
upgraded।
all are there now?
There's like ISTG, IRL, TBH, FR, FSFS।
For real.
Yeah, for real, for sure।
Would you people like to elaborate
Yeah,
a
like
few for my?
ISTG means I swear to God, TBH means to be honest, sus means someone being very suspicious, and
NGL also not
not gonna lie. So yeah, these.
Okay, thank you. Wonderful. So okay, I'll tell you one incident.
Yeah.
So accidentally, because it doesn't happen with you people,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's
yeah.
a happening
Yeah, yeah,
accidentally.
yeah, sure,
and my
sure.
daughter also happens to be of
Yeah.
Gen
Z?
Alpha.
Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha.
Okay,
She's
Gen
Gen
Alpha.
Alpha.
Okay. So her phone was on speaker, and then her friend, she calls up and says, "You know what? I have a tea to discuss with you." So I was like,
Yeah.
"What is all about?" So I was wondering. So when she had finished the call,
Yeah.
that should I share a decent rapport with my daughter at times, because it all depends on the mood.
Yeah.
So then I asked that, Tanishka, what was this tea all about? Mama, it's the short form for gossip,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Right.
Acha, so coming to that, wherein, it is parents versus teenagers. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry to use this word versus, but that is how it goes now.
Yeah.
Because
True.
you people value your friends so much that we parents feel deprived. So what is this all about? Why is it that how do you expect your parents to behave? Let's start with the ladies first.
Yeah, ladies first।
पहले we'll have Shija's opinion, फिर उसके बाद हम आर्यन से
Yeah,
पूछेंगे.
yeah, no
ठीक है?
issues।
So, like in context to when you like asked that why we often want space and why we are so rebellious with our parents. So it's just the case that in our generation, what's very common is privacy, right? Privacy, space, and I believe that in your generation, privacy wasn't even a term. Like you guys were always like, you know, sitting in a family function, talking with each other. Like you didn't have phones, right? So like a communication thing was your people, you know, communication was your type thing. So in our generation, what we like is privacy. You know, we like ourselves to be more, you know, sophisticated, and we don't want to have any conversation with anyone. And that is why, you know, parents, because they have had a childhood where they were surrounded with many people. Now when they see us sitting quietly at one place, it triggers them that why are they sitting like that, why are they not, you know, very communicative with people.
Okay.
So that is why we don't, like, you know, have a really very good connection with the parents nowadays.
Acha. Okay. And Aryan?
Yeah, I would just like to elaborate on what Shrija said. Shreja said, I'm so sorry, what she said is like privacy. To be very honest and be very precise, I would like to say, like millennials also, not everything they used to share with their parents, like whatever bad things or deeds they do, they are not just going and say ki Papa maine ye kiya. So neither of us are very much like communicative to our parents, I guess. So but it's just that there are certain things which we don't find communicating with our parents, and we don't want them to feel in a certain way that we are going through right now. So that thing we can share with our friends, because we know that somewhere around they have also faced certain situations, so they will be able to understand in a more better way and more understandable way. So that's what I also think. Like if I do something, I don't want my parents to be stressed out for that, because if I just say ki mama aaj maine gaadi thok di, so my mom will be like screaming on top of their voice. But if I go and tell to my friend, he'll be helping me throughout. It's not that they won't help, but they will start stressing out. But if I tell to my friend, he'll be like more than like with the helping hand, he will come to me and he'll help me. He'll be more than happy to help. So it's just the like age, I would say, or the thing, the generation gap. It's just that what stops us.
I understand, but it's not like the generation gap. Even we people enjoyed our privacy. We people also respected that, and our parents also did to some extent. Yeah, we were like, I think brought up in a way wherein we were more, I think, connected, and as a family, I think we were more. You know, it's like today the nuclear family trend is probably more. You know, like it's there, but yeah, probably we had more of a little bit. Not even if nuclear family, then also the joint family thing. Anyone can come in any time. Any of our relatives can come in any time. They can stay at our place.
You find your relative
No, if you're sitting in your like night suit and then your suddenly gate opens and ye dekhi ye chaddar kharidi hai maine, hatna beta jaldi. This is what happens.
So, acha, getting back to that, since you said that parents will get stressed out, and Shrija said rebellious, although rebellious is a big term, Shrija. But I think it's not that you're rebellious or something. I think at times you feel that parents come and they start lecturing you people. Is that what provokes you people? And,
no, I would enlighten on this, that lecture is meant to be for one day, one time.
Right.
It's not be every day you're making us sit at a place and you're giving our life lessons. Okay, then eventually you get
not
bored,
even sitting like randomly. If you're passing by them, they will start saying whatever they want to.
So it's just that it should be like precise on a timely basis. Not every time if you're passing by, so they'll start ki ye kar lo.
So parents, what are your expectations from parents? Because I would also like to learn, no?
My mother's gonna watch this, so I'll be very precise. No, Mama, I love you so much. Please don't say something. So so I want them to be like very relaxed and just have a trust.
Okay.
Yeah, the trust that whatever I know, but even I should also feel that I should tell everything, so at least they know what I'm doing, and they should have a trust that whatever my son or my child is doing, he will eventually grow in it. And if I am facing something, so they should be more than happy to accept it and try to understand and help me through getting out from it.
You know, sometimes it happens, like, you know, when you are very sure about what you want to pursue in your career, like, right? So like I have a like career opinion. I want to become a journalist after pursuing my undergraduation degree. I want to become a journalist. So I have a career for myself. So when I told my father that I want to take commerce, he was very okay with that, because he knew that I am going to in such field and I have a career plan, right? But I have seen children who are very indecisive of their career plans and things. So in that case, I believe parents are the people who should take the first stand in that case. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. So friends are more relaxed and parents try to how should I say?
I would say friends are the chosen family and parents.
And this one more thing.
Yeah.
This happens in teens only, right? उससे
Yeah.
पहले तो मम्मा all the time.
Yeah, for
Correct?
sure,
Right,
for
Shrisha?
sure.
Partially.
Partially.
No,
Okay.
when we like grow a bit older and we get into a teenage period, then we
In
more
early
rely.
childhood, all we need is parents.
Yeah, because at that time we don't have life stress and many things to be worried on. So yeah, it's just that parents and
So it is at times parents are not agreeing that my children are growing. Parents still want to see them because by default, you know,
yeah, sure.
they see मेरा बच्चा,
मेरा
मेरा छोटा बच्चा.
मैं बुड्ढा भी हो जाऊंगा तो for them I'm that छोटू
correct.
बच्चा.
और बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि हम थोड़े बड़े हो गए.
Yeah.
Please मान जाओ कि हम थोड़े बड़े हो गए हैं. Right.
One thing or like जब if we do something wrong, they're like बड़े हो गए हो सुधर जाओ इतना क्या. And when we are like mama I want to go here, मुझे अकेले जाना है दुनिया देख रहे हो, अभी बच्चे हो तुम घर में रहो. So I don't understand this concept. Like
पेरेंट्स ने डायलॉग में डाला हुआ है कि हम बड़े हैं या छोटे हैं.
It's very confusing. Like क्या है आप हमें बता दो. हाँ एक बार में बोल दो चलेगा.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I know ये थोड़ा सा problem रहता है.
Yeah.
Okay. So but all said and done, how much do you value your parents' opinions?
A lot.
And okay.
A lot.
Yeah.
Like parents' opinion is what matters the most, at least for me, because without you, when you do something on your own, like of your choice, and then you go ahead without their concern and opinion, it feels like that there's something missing, and within ourselves it doesn't feel like that I want to talk about it. I want to go ahead in this field.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel right.
You carry that burden, that unsaid burden is there.
Yeah, right.
For me, I would say parents are the real God. Means they are the real messenger, like sent by the God. Like for me, my mother has been the guardian angel of wisdom for me. To be very honest, she has been the backbone since day one, and she's been constantly supporting throughout all my challenges, and I'm so blessed, and I feel so grateful that she is my mother. And to be very honest to all the people watching this, please don't do anything beyond your parents expectations or choices. Like you will not be able to success then. It's just that for a period you'll feel happy, and then it's just very subtle. You'll not have anything after it. So parent support is the biggest support. Without that, to be very honest, whatever you say, I don't believe you can not do anything good in life. It's just that you need to build that trust. If you want to do something, just make them feel that you are capable of it, and make them have a trust कि okay, my child can. So they eventually support. There's no parent who will want that their child should be in a burden or do something very stressful that will make him feel bad later in life. So no parents, according to me, no parents does that. So yeah, it's just that build that trust and just do whatever you want.
Such a noble thought, Aaron. Mama will be so proud of you today. Huh? Not
Mama
only Mama, Dad, both. Now talking on because I see. Why I want to specifically address this question to you, Aaron, is because at this very young age you have witnessed success, right? Not everyone is that, I won't say lucky, because you have worked hard for it probably.
Yeah, sure.
But yes, certainly, you have tasted success at a very, very early stage of life. So, Aaron, what has the journey all about? Let's just. I would also like to listen to it.
For sure,
Yeah.
for sure. So it's not that I'm very successful. It's just the beginning of my journey. Whom I want to become in future. So it started off with nothing.
Okay.
I just had a thought in my mind that this is what I want to do.
Yeah.
Like in 8th class, I was pretty much clear about my career and my choices. That whatever I want to do, I just want to do, and I just took it as a fun way, because whatever my passion, I'm like a dancer. I love to dance and everything. So I just wanted to do something related to this field only. So I was
Okay.
pretty much clear in my 8th standard. This is what to do. My father wanted that I should go to the medical field, so he had no clue and no idea that what am I doing. It's just
Okay.
that my mother. I told my mother that Mama, I just want to do this, and I'm not interested in going to the medical field. So she was like, okay, then do it. Do it, but do it with full potential and power. So I was like, yeah, done. So at that point, I didn't started it. Like content creation, there was a TikTok era that was going on.
Acha, yeah, I remember. I remember. Right.
Yeah. So that TikTok era was going. So everybody was just making reels, and that too with zero professionalism and zero creativity. It's just the voiceover. So yeah, and then eventually that when Instagram came, so it was that there was not reels introduced at first. There was only post and IGTV that was going on. Yeah, there was no reels at that time. So when the reels were introduced, I saw many creators, and I was watching. So I was like, I can also try this out. Why should I not try this out? Because I wanted to do something very different. So I was like, I should also try this out. So eventually, I still remember the date. It's 24th of December 2021. That day, I shot my first ever reel without any mic, camera quality, nothing. And I thought it's a very good video. It should get viral, millions of views should be there. And it just got thousands of views. I was like, wow. And it was like, everybody appreciated me, criticism, so for sure. But then eventually I started doing that only, and for 2 years I did constantly. I used to make videos, 2 to 3 videos per day. I was like just posted. Like my video didn't have like very good quality, audio quality. Nothing was not very good, but the content was a bit good. So yeah, I did it for 2 years. I was not getting any followers. I was very stressed for that. So one day what happened, then I was like, there's a problem with the camera. And then I was like, Mama, I want
is very
Mama, my content is very good. The problem is with the camera. So then it was like, I told my mama that, Mama, see, I want an iPhone because I want to shoot good videos. She sees like, no, you're giving your boards. If you score above 90%, I'll give you an iPhone. And I was like, oh my God, now this is a sign from the God that this is your chance. I've opened the ways. If you score above 90%, you'll get the camera and you'll be very famous. And I was like, okay, let's do it. So I worked a lot. Like I worked so hard to get 90%, but eventually I did not get 90%. I got 89%, just 1%. So as I told you before, that parents will never want you to like do something which will make you stressful. They saw my hard work, that my child has put on something and he has worked hard. So let's not discourage him, and instead we should appreciate him. So they were like, okay, we'll give you. So they gave me iPhone also. So and then I again started shooting. I was like, अब तो मैं famous हूँ, अब तो मुझे कोई रोक ही नहीं सकता famous होने से. Again, not more than 1,000 views. The problem is with the background now. Mama, I want my room in a certain way. So she's like, अरे अब तो your room is very good. I was like, no, lighting की problem है, ये problem है. चलो ठीक है, पापा ने ट्यूब लाइट्स लगवा दी इतनी सारी. अब भी views नहीं आ रहे. अब एक दिन मेरे को बहुत एकदम I was like, bro, I was very much frustrated. And I was like, there's something wrong with me. I think there is literally something wrong with me. And then I created a backup ID just for fun. There was no, and I used to just post the content which I used to post on my previous one. I just posted on that. So still there was no views. One day I was like, bro, there's something wrong with me. And I just went into my room and I started crying and blaming God. And God finds it. So there are so like people who are doing nothing, just a voiceover, and they get millions of views. What's wrong with me? I'm putting so much on this thing. So I was just crying, and I I just took out my phone and I just shot a video. And to be very honest, with nothing in my mind, I just shot that video. And that video just blew up. It got 16 million views
My God.
out of nowhere. And then again, that same day I shot one more reel, and that reel also got 12 million views.
अरे नबी भी थोड़ा सा रो दो प्लीज बेटा, हम लोग को व्यूज चाहिए.
For sure. Guys, please वीडियो को देख लेना. Please like कर देना, subscribe कर देना.
Wonderful. So,
Yeah.
Aryan, this is actually nice, but you know, I have taken 2 key points from
Okay.
your
Journey.
conversation.
Okay.
And yeah, and from your journey.
Okay.
You said criticism and you said consistency. So, at this age, facing criticism, यार मुझे ही अभी कोई कुछ बोल देगा तो थोड़ा मेरा ना confidence थोड़ा हिल जाएगा.
Yeah.
Actually, that question will go for
Happens
both of
with
you.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. But how do people take that? And consistency, क्योंकि बोला कि नहीं मैं करता गया. So, what is that driving force? दोनों लोगों के लिए. How do people take it that
Would you like
way?
to go first?
You go first.
Okay, then
on
I'll
this.
go. The thing is, there's one more key point.
अच्छा.
Patience.
Lovely.
Patience it is more required than consistency and like hard
Taking
work
criticism.
also.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It is like you need to be patient. If I would have like thought like ki, why am I not growing? So and I never had expectations from like this kid. I'll be getting millions of followers. I'll be having like a bungalow, a car, and this much
Yeah.
money. I never expected that. If I had that expectation, then I would have never done it. Then फिर मैं बहुत पहले ही छोड़ देता. But नहीं, patience था कि नहीं, कभी न कभी तो अगर मैं इस रेस में गया हूँ, I'm running a race, I will at least finish it. I'll not just like leave midway.
Okay.
I will finish it. I don't care will it take 60 years or 100 years, till my last breath. I will definitely be
Wonderful.
working and doing. And criticism, the reel which got 16 million views, it was not because of my talent. It was because of my way of speaking. So more than the likes, there were comments. They were adding 50k comments
Such
on that.
triggering comments were
Triggering
there.
comment. People were after my life. How can you speak like this? How can you look like this? How
Yeah.
can you? I was like, okay. So who are you? Like if those people who are commenting on that reel, if you call anybody, they will not be able to speak a single word in front of me.
True,
I know,
very
it's,
true.
it's not easy to face
It
the
is
camera.
not. It is not easy. They can just be sitting at the couch and just typing ये क्या है, ये क्या कर रहा है, ये क्या कर रहा है. But if they come right in front of me, they will be like, what should I say? What should I say? They won't be able to speak. The thing they are commenting, I challenge them to come and speak right in front of my face. They can do the backstabbing thing, but they won't have that guts to speak in. So, see, आपने कहावत सुनी होगी कि जब हाथी चलता है तो कुत्ते भौंकते हैं.
Oh my god.
Aryan is considering himself like
Yeah, I'm the hathi and I loved it. I was like, I'm getting the engagement.
Yeah,
you keep
very
saying what you're
good.
saying. And I
Very
was very
good.
much fine. Ki, yeah, okay, you don't like what the way I speak. I don't care. You are no one to control. Like you don't know about me. Are you my friend? Are you my neighbor? You are nobody. You are non-existent from me. So I will not be taking any of your compliment or your any criticism. I'm so sorry to everyone. I'm not being rude. But yeah, if you tell me something that I need to improve, for sure I'll work on it. But if there's something coming very rude or something like that, I'm so sorry. I don't care. I didn't
जनरेशन कॉन्फिडेंस लाता कहाँ से? क्या खाते हो भाई?
मैं दूसरों से पूछता था उस समय कि आप क्या खाते हो. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, आपके पास भी इतनी पॉजिटिविटी है, आप क्या खाती हैं?
नहीं, मैं तो अपने जेनजी से सीख रही हूँ. I'm getting inspired.
Yeah, so criticism तो it was like fine. Sometimes I do get affected कि यार मुझे सब लोग बोल रहे थे तो मैंने क्या ऐसा कर दिया. But eventually I was like कि fine. It is the biggest stars like Deepika Padukone, Shah Rukh Khan, people criticize them, but where they are today.
Arey, that will take you long way.
Yes, I never,
very good.
I never take criticism on
But
my.
also if we talk
Yes,
about
Shrija.
criticism, like he has an influencer, right? But if we see on the basis of school going children,
Yes.
Very true.
like we go to school, right?
Yes.
We participate in different things, different extracurricular activities. The major criticism you get is from your teachers, right?
Ah.
You know, These days, what people are focusing more on is personality development, right? Only
Correct.
academics will not lead you to any success in your life, right? When you go for your extracurricular things, like let's talk about myself. I am into basketball, I am into debates, I am into drawing, I am into dancing, I am into drama, right? So when I used to do all these things together, my teachers, not every teacher, I don't want to say anything on that. I respect them a lot.
Even I do.
But they were like, "Ki, why are you into each and everything and why are you not focusing on your academics?" Let me tell you one thing very honestly, my 12th grade never took me anywhere. My CUET scores were important, but what was more important was my personality. If I'm sitting here and I'm talking to you, this is not my academics. Maths has not taught me to speak like this.
Well said.
My debates, my participation in every sports, and then I would like to state this thing to each and every student out there: don't waste your time on academics only. Participate in things, but you should keep your academics as your priority. If you're into something which you can lead to state, national level thing like that, then go ahead in that case.
Okay, so keeping a balance basically of the academics
And
a
extracurricular.
mix, right?
Right.
Of the extracurriculars and Acha, Shuja,
Right.
talking on that, not all kids are
Fortunate
so to
enough.
say, fortunate and privileged. Maybe some are little introvert by default. कभी-कभी वो चाह के भी इतने extrovert नहीं हो पाते. टीचर्स के लाइमलाइट में नहीं आ पाते हैं, है ना? कभी-कभी वो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा घुटते भी रहते हैं. तो what is your suggestion to those students? I'm sure कुछ friends भी शायद
Yeah.
मिले
बिल्कुल
होंगे.
है,
There
बिल्कुल
have
है
been
ना?
many people.
And they suffer a lot. I mean,
They
at
do.
times I
They do.
feel sorry for them.
Even
Like
we
they're
do.
very, very talented, but the only thing that's
Lack of initiative.
lack of initiative, lack of confidence as
Yeah.
well. They're like little, terrified to go and
Yeah.
put the first initiative first so that they can go ahead for doing things.
Yeah.
And I tell you very honestly, like none of our classmates were like that. We used to stop a person from doing a certain thing.
Acha,
Like
okay.
for example, Aryan was there, he was into dance, but if a person who was very introverted used to come and ask him that shall I participate in such and such thing in place of you, he wouldn't have ever stopped that person ki you don't do, I do, because I'll do, because I am the one who has been selected, you have not been selected. He won't do that ever, because
Neither of us would
neither
ever that.
of us
Acha,
would do
acha.
that, because this is something that will help the other person to come up.
Yeah.
You should never backdraw
You should,
a person
you
from
should
doing
never
things.
have that overconfidence, I would
Right.
say, and a very ki, no, I should only do this. Why is he coming up? Let him do na. If you can help someone grow in
Right.
their life, that would be the best thing you can ever do, rather than doing anything wrong to them.
My teachers also they took me for something let's take an example of debate. So she took me. So I wasn't very good at it for the first time. So she took my name and she told me that, Shida, do you want to participate in such? And I was like, yes, ma'am. I want to do that. Until and unless you are not very confident about the things you do in your life, you shouldn't go for that, because it might take things in a very wrong way.
Matlab, you should not get into the peer group pressure
Right,
and
yeah.
start taking things.
Yeah.
Acha, talking of peer group pressure. Oh, good one, huh?
Yeah.
Acha, peer group pressure is good also, but it has a very negative impact.
Very
also.
true. Very true.
And it is not only peer group pressure, combination with the social media probably. Oh my God, even more deadly, so to say.
I wouldn't say anything about social media because I'm getting something from it. But yeah, I'll definitely
No,
enlighten
it's
on
not
this.
like that. See, we have a lot of positive influence
Yeah.
on social media also. Why always take it in the negative way? Today we are all promoting that
Yeah,
social media
we
platform.
are. Yeah,
That is, that's not the point. Point is that, at times just to prove ourselves and get into the limelight, what the the generation who are not completely grown up and not completely, small kids also, what they do is that he or she is having a boyfriend. I would also like to have one.
Yeah.
Maybe they are not completely ready for it also, but just to get into that rat race they
Yeah.
are getting into. Maybe they are getting indulged into a lot of malpractices
Yeah,
like
yeah,
drugs,
yeah.
alcohol,
Yeah.
vaping, smoking.
They find it very
Generation
cool
has
just to
normalized
adjust.
this, and this
Yeah.
is very bad.
Just to fit in, they do
Yes,
this. Yeah.
yes.
And that's very wrong.
So I think, am I right?
Yeah,
You
yeah, yeah,
definitely-
absolutely.
This millennial is talking
absolutely.
sense.
Very,
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. We do agree on
Okay,
that.
so what is a piece of advice from you people? Because you people can actually understand that.
True.
If I will talk as a lecture. I will, because probably I am not going through that.
Yeah.
I will talk as a parent,
Huh.
but you will talk as someone like who has been through this. So how do you people deal with it?
Yeah. So again, ladies first.
You start.
Any
No,
of you, it's
no,
okay.
you go first.
You go first, Aryan.
Okay, you go first.
Arey, Aryan, go.
Fine. Okay.
अच्छा हो गया अब हाँ
Okay, so I would like to say peer pressure hai.
हाँ.
If I'll not be very dishonest, even I do face that. If I
Yeah.
I'll be very honest that
हाँ.
yeah, it is very human nature. Like it's very human that you will feel that peer pressure that when your friends are having, all my friends are having girlfriends, I don't have. So it's not, it's just you should be that ki, am I ready for this? Am I doing right? If you are like, if anything you are doing like for that peer pressure thing, it will take you nowhere. It's just
Correct.
that for 2 minutes or one day you'll feel like that pleasure will not last for life. It will be just for 2 minutes or 2 seconds, and then you will regret. Later on, you'll definitely regret. Like if
Definitely.
you, and that will take you in a very wrong way in your life. Today I see people drinking and they're lying on the roads and
Yeah.
they're going to police stations facing that. Their parents are facing that. And after watching that and after looking to those people, I feel like thank you so much, God.
Yeah. No, not thank you so much, God. God, though I'm very grateful already. But I'm
Yeah.
very thankful to my parents that
Yeah.
they are so
Yes.
strict.
Yeah.
I love the fact that they are strict and they have not allowed me to go to parties, late night parties,
Yeah.
and
हाँ.
you know, if they say ki should I come at this time, I ask them. I never ever argue with them that why are you not allowing me to stay till such late night, like my friends' parents, they are allowing them. Why are you not?
Yeah.
Because I know that what is going to happen in that party after that, and like for girls, it's also not safe to be out late night.
To be honest, my parents never stopped me for anything. Like they never asked me where are you going, send me the location. They had that trust. So I was like, if my parents are trusting on me, I should not break their trust. Even not in front of them, not behind their back. So I was like, if they're trusting me, I will never ever break that trust in my life. I will never smoke, I will never drink. And that is like, I see, trying different thing is not bad, but it's just that they should have
You should not get into that.
Addiction should not
correct,
be there.
Correct.
Yeah.
You should not completely
Limit
get
is
into
all-
allow
Yeah.
yourself, because academics actually is the main thing.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's not actually. You should say that academics is the main thing, but you should actually have a career for yourself.
Career first,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
to say.
Sure. And like these things, after getting like at a good place in your life, you can just you can do it. Like
For entertainment and for fun purpose,
yeah, at this age, if you're doing it just for fun and have that pleasure, you just ruin your life. It's just that it will not take you anywhere.
I believe peer pressure is just not limited with smoking, drinking and stuff like that. It is also up to taking streams. Like after 10th, you choose streams which your friend is into. Like in peer pressure, you go for science because your friend is going and you are not at all good
And
at
you end
it.
up doing BA.
And you end up doing BA. We always should be very precise about our careers in that case.
So actually, you should be open with your parents and
हाँ.
discuss, because
Yeah.
peer group pressure is good, but actually,
sometimes-
like So parents should interfere also a little bit.
Discussion is very important. I discussed. My father was sitting right in front of me. My brother, my mother. We had to discuss. It was not like पापा ने बोलते मेडिकल में जी पापा ठीक है. पापा नहीं.
In that case,
I am not that kind of a person who is best suited for the medical line. Please allow me. Okay.
Then you will regret for your life कि मतलब मैंने क्यों नहीं बोला.
Dictatorship नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, वो नहीं चाहिए. Life में मलाल नहीं होना चाहिए.
Malal. I know. Talking of that, Aryan is into a different field altogether, and with the same kind of family atmosphere. Your brother is preparing
for CA. Oh my God! I'll tell you, my brother is like I too sometimes see and I see. Are you? Is from this like a planet or what? He's always into books. I'm like, if you like ever come to my place, you will not see my brother sitting on the couch and using his phone. I'll be like sitting like this on my couch, and he'll be in my room like doing like reading books. He'll be reading his like academic books, and he'll be preparing for something. He'll be doing some exams, and he's just studying. And I'm like, I can never do this. We are poles apart. And not that I'm like bad at studies. I am good at studies.
But we'd never do in ourselves.
Sibling relationship कैसी रहती है? कैसे define कर सकते हैं?
Sibling, so I have had a very good relationship with my sister. However, the challenges she has faced being with me, so like see. What happens is that I am the youngest in my family, right? And I have an elder sister.
Okay.
So whatever experiments my parents had to do, they have already done with my sister. So be it her taking science, be it not allowing her to go into parties and stuff, I have always been allowed to do everything I have wanted in my life. I have never been stopped from doing anything. Like literally. I feel so bad for her sometimes that she has been the experimental child and I got all the opportunities.
Okay.
But ठीक है, it's fine.
घर का बड़ा ही रहता है और घर का छोटा ही रहता है.
वो तो रहता है.
अच्छा, तो ये मतलब अभी भी ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है. मुझे लगा था ये खाली मेरे साथ ही होता है. वो होता है.
बिल्कुल है.
तो फिर उसके बाद शुजा कितने हद तक दीदी से तुम ऐसा सोचती हो कि तुम्हें ज़्यादा लिबर्टीज मिली है?
दीदी तो लाइक लिबर्टीज तो आई हैव गॉटन मोर. हाँ तो मतलब तो इट्स लाइक
दीदी लड़ाई नहीं करती है?
दीदी तो लड़ाई इन द सेंस शी नेवर हेटेड ऑन मी. लाइक it happens even if you see it in school, like when teacher supports one child and the other feels like what is the difference between me and her? Why is she supporting her more than she is supporting me? So it also happens with us sometimes like she never hates on me. She hates the fact that she has been more deprived by me being alive.
Teachers, she talked about teachers. Like in my school, my brother was very good at studies and I was not so. I was a background. I was very naughty. Being very honest, I was very naughty and my brother was like so calm and teachers are like ये प्रेम का भाई है. I don't believe this. No, I don't believe this. अरे नहीं भाई है, नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता है. अरे है. And then every time if I do something like my brother was also from commerce stream, I was also my class and his class was attached. So anything that if I do something like if I have an argument with my teachers like प्रेम को बुला लो, इसके भाई को बुला लो, इसके भाई को बुला लो, ये घर. And उनको पता था मेरा भाई कुछ घर पे नहीं बताने वाला. He was that sweet and they were like कि देखो ये ऐसा कर रहा है, ये घर पे इसको बता देना. मैं teachers like and he was like ठीक है सर बता दूंगा and he never did. I'm so happy and there was like me and him were like oh my god enemies. Like if you see us fighting, it's like Mahabharat. It's a pure Mahabharata. The arguments and the Mahabharata thing, like but now we have gotten mature and now
you
it's like
privileged actually because responsibilities तो बड़े लोगों ने ले ली और जब छोटे वालों का आया वही जैसे बिल्कुल कहा कि एक्सपेरिमेंट्स तो बेचारे सारे बड़ों वाले के साथ हो गए और जब तक छोटे वालों का टाइम आया
भारी का मेरा भाई करता है.
हाँ तब तक वो फन पार्ट आ गया. Okay.
You also have been a elder sister, so what's your thought on that?
हमें elders से सोचना है छोटों के लिए. आप बताओ हमें.
ये तो मेरी दुख तीरथ पे हाथ रख दिया. No, that's true because it's actually very true. जो बड़ा होता है वो that's why I said वो हमेशा बड़ा ही रहता है, उसके ऊपर हमेशा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ज्यादा आती हैं, बी इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ career, be it in terms of even the dressing sense, I guess. है ना? है ना?
Very true. My brother is never dressed like he always used to wear my clothes, and I used to get very pissed off, like, why you wearing my shirt? Why you wearing? Sir, I don't have anything. I'm like, no, please remove it. And he's like, no, please let me wear. I'm like, okay, fine, wear. So I'm the one who is always overdressed, and he's the one who is always underdressed. So I don't know poles apart. So समझ जाते लोग, अच्छा ये दोनों भाई हैं, ये आदिन का हमेशा ऐसे, इसके भाई का ऐसा ही है.
अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, जैसे मैं ना अपनी डॉटर को मैं छिपकली से बहुत डरती हूँ, तो मगर मेरी डॉटर यार मेरा बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट हो गई है. Now she helps me, like, you know, she helps me with everything. Yes, you tell me what is it. So now I feel that वो छोटा बच्चा कब आपका सपोर्ट बन जाता है, आपको पता ही नहीं लगता. वो इतनी बड़ी हो गई कि कल को मैं उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रही थी इन सारी चीज़ों से, आज वो मेरी हेल्प करने आ गई. What do you people feel? इस एज पे how do you people take various responsibilities at home wherein you feel कि मम्मा कहती है किसी चीज पे कि इतने छोटे थे, मैंने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं था.
In that case, I would like to comment on health. You know,
yeah, very true, very
like
true.
This is the age where like we are seeing our parents' health is deteriorating, right? Not very much, but it is kinda like both of us have seen parents.
Same.
And that case, like you do not feel like doing anything.
Yeah.
Like you break from inside, if I say so.
Very true.
Like you were saying that these were the people who used to support me in each and everything. Now I have to be the one to support them. I have grown so much now that I have to support them. I have to be there with them. You know, I have to leave my, you know, fun things. I have no problem with me living with my fun things. But the problem is that why is this situation happening? Like, why is this happening? That I have to be a certain person now and I have to look after my parents.
I cannot see my parents in pain.
None of us can see our parents grow.
So from the first statement, the rebellious Shrija comes to a very soft-hearted, and I just can't see my parents in pain. Oh my God, this journey is also commendable. Wonderful.
Yeah, because like when you are at your lowest, there will be nobody coming up. Friends, so it's fine. They'll also be with you for a certain reason. But who will be there with you without any cause? It's your parents.
I think full marks to your parents.
Yeah, full. They have 100 on
1,000 on 100.
Yeah, for sure, for
कितनी
sure.
अच्छी upbringing है, बच्चे कितने अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं. Wow, यार, this is too good. I love to see teens, you know, talking in this way. Wonderful.
My parents, they have never they supported me in each and everything.
If they wanted, they would have said ki no, you don't have to go to this field. There's no guarantee of success. There's nothing in this field. Don't go to this field. But they had a trust on me and they support me. My father used to go to the meetings and he used to say, मेरे बेटे का channel subscribe कर लो, वीडियो मत देखो, ad देख लो, इसको पैसे मिल जाए. I was like, बाप है, ऐसे तो मेरी engagement रुक जाएगी. So but then it's just that sweetness. So I'm always forever grateful.
Very nice. Grateful. Talking about this grateful and all these big words, manifestation का क्या role है?
Oh my God.
It is real.
Oh, it is absolutely
It's a nazar is real. Manifestation
I believe in both of these terms.
Yeah.
I do believe in both of these. I manifested it every time that I still am manifesting it. I am walking and there's all paparazzi and taking a picture. Aryan sir. I still manifested. And I manifested that one day my videos will hit millions of views and there will be celebrities liking to my pictures and there's big brands commenting. So I manifested it. And manifestation is nothing. It's just that you are having a thought, put it out in the universe. And the universe will eventually make that. There's a very good quote by Shah Rukh Khan. अगर आप किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसको आपसे मिलाने की वो साजिश में लग जाती है.
Yes, very true.
Manifestation though is very real. Like I am a huge fan of KL Rahul. Like a huge fan of KL Rahul. I manifested this thing that I want to meet. I not meet. So at least I have to see him.
Okay.
in front of me, like standing in front of me. So on February 2024. 2024, right? So I manifested that I want to see KL Rahul, and just 10 days prior I manifested this, and I was in the school and it was my last period. My teacher came up to me and she announced this, that one day after Holi, KL Rahul is coming. I was shocked. I was like, what? What did you say? Say it again, ma'am, please.
What did you say? Say it again. Are you for real?
Like, is it for real? Like, I went so crazy at that time. In the whole bus, I was smiling like anything.
How sweet.
Smiling, laughing, giggling. And you know, we have a school group, so the message was already sent to my parents. So like, they were, sitting in the bed. And when I came from the school, and they were like, ये तो पागल हो गई है. उनको पता चल गया था KL Rahul is coming.
Yeah, she's the biggest. If KL Rahul, if by any chance you're watching this,
please
contact her.
At least for once.
Nice. I mean, I like that. You know, you people see this generates sort of positivity across generations.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
That you people are behaving in such way, believing in all these things. It's wonderful.
Yeah, it's.
I mean, like, it's better than us having
like a depressed.
it's better than us, having drugs and all that.
Yeah, it's better than having
than
We are
Oh my God,
working on
no.
ourselves.
उससे तो बहुत दूर.
Yeah.
माहौल को थोड़ा लाइट बनाते हैं.
जी,
जरूर,
बिल्कुल.
एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर किया जाए.
Oh my God, yeah, let's do this.
Okay. Who's most likely to borrow something and forget to return it?
Aryan.
Me, I've done that. Even I've done that.
Who's most likely to cancel plans at the last minute?
Shrija CUT results. I never cancel plans, even if I'm out of the town. And on her birthday, also she'll call me 1 hour prior, and I'll be at her place. This is me. And इनका studio result आ जाता है, मातम छाया रहता है. It's every time this.
अब ये तो मुझे भी पता है वैसे. Who's most likely to be always late?
Aryan.
Even I will say that. Aryan.
I'm so sorry. I don't know why it's like this. I'm trying to improve. Okay.
Acha, who's most likely to become a meme?
Aryan.
Who's most likely to get into a fight?
Both of us. Both of us are like this. If you are good to us, we are the best. And if you're the mean, we'll be the meanest.
Oh my god. Okay, who's most likely to spend all their money on clothes?
Shrija.
Aryan.
Both of us.
Aryan.
No, I won't spend a lot of money on
I also don't spend a lot of money.
No, neither of us.
Food.
Food for sure. Food and travel.
Food
Acha,
and travel.
okay.
For sure.
Wonderful. Favorite destination?
Destination
Like
Kashmir.
we have not been or we have already been.
हाँ, कश्मीर तो.
वो तो फिर
अच्छा, मैं
ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन हो
Okay,
जाएगा.
dream destination. It's Queenstown, New Zealand.
It's
अच्छा.
Lord Stadium.
Okay, and where you've been?
The best place I've been till now, I've not been to a lot of many places, but I've been to the best place right now is Udaipur,
Okay.
Rajasthan.
Kashmir.
Aha. Who's the crybaby?
Both of us.
Both of us, literally both of us. Yeah, both of us are the crybabies.
Who's most likely to become a millionaire?
Both of us.
I would say me, no, both of
Keeping
us.
fingers crossed?
No, both of us.
Both
Yeah.
of us.
Keeping fingers
Please,
crossed?
इसमें views now.
It will benefit both of us.
Yeah, both
only.
of us. Yeah, definitely.
Wonderful.
Always.
Even I wish you both the same.
We want you also to be
Ah,
a
thank you,
billionaire.
thank you.
All three of us.
Yeah,
All
of
three of
course.
us. Yeah.
Then we'll go for a trip.
Yeah. We'll definitely. Queenstown.
Lords.
Acha, since you people have been friends for?
6-7 years.
8 years. Since
8
6th
years.
standard. And now it's like 12th.
हाँ, 8 years.
8 years, around 8 years.
बिल्कुल all going very well. ना बीच में लड़ाई होती है?
बिल्कुल,
अरे बहुत होती है,
बिल्कुल
लड़ाई
होती
तो
है,
बहुत
बहुत होती
कितने
है।
अरे कितने ड्यूरेशन की होती है? मतलब कितने दिन तक बात
लड़ाई
करना
में
बंद
से हमने
करते हो?
बात करने का भी बंद नहीं किया.
बात करने का भी बंद नहीं किया. Even after fight.
ये बहुत अच्छा है. ओह, ओके. ये अच्छा ये मेंटेन करते हैं.
Maintain है.
हम डायरेक्टली बोल देते हैं कि यार तुम यार ऐसे ही हो.
हाँ, शुजा तुम ये करते हो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. देखो
हाँ.
सीख लो.
तुम दूर ही रहा करो.
तुम बाहर में जाओ.
तुम भी.
अच्छा मतलब वो नहीं होता है कि हम बात करना बंद करें.
नहीं,
वैसे
ऐसा
हुआ.
एटीट्यूड ईगो तो ला ही नहीं सकते हैं. बहुत ईगो आ रहा है.
अच्छा
ऐसा बोल देते हैं.
और वो एग्जाम्स में दोनों ने कैसे?
अरे we tell you a very good story. We are very ashamed of it. But mama ऐसा नहीं था, पढ़ाई भी करते थे हम. So the thing was, our boards, 12th boards were going on. And we were on Snapchat video call the whole time in the morning 4 a.m. I was like, बोलो आर्यन कुछ पढ़ा है? नहीं पढ़ा है, मैंने भी कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है. On that video call, we were like, हाँ ये पढ़ लेते हैं, ये आ जाएगा ये. And we managed to score 96 in PA, 19
देखो ये मैसेज बिल्कुल मत देना कि बिना पढ़े मार्क्स आ जाते हैं.
पढ़ाई तो पूरे साल की थी, वो हम मैनेज कर लेते हैं.
ओके
तो पूरे साल कर.
अच्छा तो अब एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड टेस्ट किया जाए.
हाँ
Okay.
BFF.
Okay.
Who's the celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush for KL Rahul. Of course.
And for him?
Aryan, तो it's Vedant Raina.
Yeah, Vedant Raina also. Yeah, I find him.
Okay.
Vedant it is.
Yeah.
I thought it Vedant it is.
No, it's Vedant. But I really find Alia Bhatt very good. Yeah,
okay.
she's a star and star.
माइनस हो गया इसके मार्क्स.
हाँ माइनस करिए. गर्ल में बताना था, ऐसे गर्ल में बताना था.
तो गर्ल में बोला ही नहीं.
अच्छा what is the dream job for him?
Dream job for him is
If you don't say that, I'll just...
should I say a filmmaker or should I an influencer?
No, in a filmmaker.
Okay.
Yeah, she was right.
Okay.
Her dream job is a journalist.
Okay. चलो लड़ाई बच
And that too was sports journalist.
Oh.
I'm very specific, okay?
What is that one thing which he can't live without?
His mom.
And for him?
Her parents.
Okay. Lighter note पे.
अच्छा कुछ और. हाँ, from her parents.
His phone.
Her Snapchat filters.
No. Why are you talking about filters, Aryan?
She can never live without.
So mean.
अच्छा, what is your love language?
Speaking in Punjabi and other
Speaking
languages.
in Punjabi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Punjabi आ गए हुए.
अच्छा, दोनों के साथ कुछ embarrassing moment हुआ?
अरे बहुत हुए.
तुम इसका बताओ.
आर्यन का embarrassing moment.
रोज ही होता है ना. एक बताओ.
What should I tell about? You tell me.
Achha, I'll tell you for her. She went to meet KL Rahul, and on the stage, they asked them, "What would you do if you meet KL Rahul?"
अरे नहीं यार.
In the audience, someone said, "Marry him." So she said, "Yeah, marry." And she's like, "But the anchor was there because शादी तो हो चुकी है." So she's like, "Divorce भी तो हो सकता है." And the teachers of the school, "This is what you said. This is what you said."
I was like very precise.
Divorce भी हो सकता है.
Oh yeah, keeping
अब तो बच्चा भी हो
full
गया,
hopes
so no.
on. Oh my god.
आर्यन की embarrassing moment. आर्यन तुम्हारा embarrassing moment क्या हुआ?
कुछ बताओ ना. Anything. Every day कुछ भी हो जाता है.
So like one of our teacher, I don't want to quote his name.
Yeah. Please quote his name.
He calls him Hillan Dullan because he walks in such a way. Na Aryan is more girly than us. So he calls him Hillan Dullan. अबे Hillan Dullan किधर जा रहा है?
I have
He
a lot
says
many
like
names.
that. Yeah. So like he was standing.
I'm very clumsy, so I used to just fall everywhere I go. And I'm very loud. I'm literally very loud. In my corridor, you won't find anybody screaming. But if my teachers, I'm in 12th standard and she'll be in the coordinator's room. Aryan, don't you shout! I'm like, am I audible till there?
अच्छा, who approached first? I mean, for friendship, he approached or she? Who?
It was mutual.
We were in the same group, I guess. Yeah, we were in the same group, so it was mutual.
Okay. So, what's the hidden talent for each of you? Let's finish it.
Hidden talent
this.
of Aryan is drama.
Drama is my life.
Not
if I have to describe myself in a one word, I would say it's all drama.
So it's
Hidden talent, you don't know.
hidden talent. You don't have anything hidden.
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Okay, he doesn't hide anything.
Yeah, and her is like, she is a very good orator.
Ah.
Yeah, she's a very, very good orator.
I was never,
Okay.
knowing about this. ठीक है,
Wonderful.
No, you speak very well. So yeah, it's just that you're a very good orator. Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, I really wish that this friendship goes full on. Okay. Okay, on this note, I would like to end this very, very hilarious podcast, so to say, because actually it was so much fun to have you people. I'm very grateful.
We are.
It's like a therapy. I would say.
It is like a therapy, and I'm so like I'm feeling so privileged to be sitting here.
True.
Yeah, I'm not a very good star. I've not done something like really big, but I'm sitting here chatting with you. I won't say she's a millennial. She is a Gen Z. Yeah, she is a Gen Z.
Oh my God, I think that's the best compliment I've got. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I would like to just end by saying to all the teenager watching me, I don't know whether you take this in your life or not, but I want to say this, that whatever you do, just follow 5 things. Just 5 things, which is intent. Whatever you're doing, the intent should be very good. Patience is most important. Compassion, hard work, and consistency. These 5 things will take you wherever you want to reach in your life. And trust me, if you're following, and most importantly, discipline. Discipline, if you don't have.
Discipline is very important.
Discipline, if you don't have, then you'll just be doing it.
Being motivated is
Yeah.
good, but being disciplined is
More important. Even if you're not well, even if you're even if you're at a party, whatever. If you're dedicated or if you are into something, you do it. No matter, no excuses. Just do it, and you will get there wherever you want to go in your life. And I'm guaranteeing, because I have faced it since 4 years. I'm shooting videos and all, and I'm not at a very good place, but whatever I'm doing, I'm forever grateful, and I'll keep doing. And one day, definitely, I'll be at a place where the paparazzi will be screaming, Aryan sir, Aryan sir. Yeah, manifesting it on this camera on Tina Ma'am's channel.
Why do you say you're not in a good place? I think you're doing wonderful.
Yeah.
How many followers?
Yeah, I have 8K followers on Instagram and 25K followers on YouTube.
Good. That's so good.
Aryan is a diva.
And she is my diva twin.
Yeah, of course. I'm having diva in making for even better.
High five.
We never do that off camera.
We fight a lot. Yeah. So do you have something to say?
The only thing I would like to say is that most of the people are like into academics right now. So please don't be just motivated and like study 1 or 2 months prior to your board examination. Please study at least for like 1 hour each day, so that you can get into the very big term discipline. You know, disciplincy is a very big term, and you have to practice it. The more you practice it, the more successful you become in life.
Just follow your heart, do whatever your heart says, and rest. Don't listen. Everything is just a noise. All the best.
Yeah, let's go.
big words coming from such small. मैं तो यार बच्चों की तरह ही देखूंगी ना, तो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, oh my God, देखो छोटे बच्चे कितनी बड़ी बातें बोल रहे हैं. So actually it was wonderful having you people on.
Thank you so much. We had a great time talking to you. Literally felt like a therapy.
Literally feels like a therapy.
Yeah, we really enjoyed. Yeah.
What
If you would be sitting like ऐसे मुंह बना के, I'm like, हाँ ये question है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? We were also not really interested in answering such questions, but we have a great vibe, to be very honest.
Thank you. Vibe.
Vibe. Aura. Clapping to the aura.
Yes.
And to the people watching it also.
Thanks to the people who have helped us also.
Yeah. Off camera people, hats off to them also.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks a ton.
Bye.
Bye bye. Good morning, good night, जब भी आप देख रहे हो.